Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I've been away, I've been balling. Now it's time to get all that money back. Are you with me? Let's do this. So guys, allow me to show you a very powerful strategy that is going to give you quick money to join my inner circle, guys. Quick money to join my inner circles, where we have been consistently making profits for the past 3 years, guys. Consistent profits, guys. Now the strategy I'm going to show you right now is very quick. It's just for quick scalping and just taking quick money out of the market. You don't solely rely on the indicator based strategies. That's why you need to join my inner circle, where I teach my students how to look at the market and challenge the market without any of these indicators, right? How to look at the market and just do the right thing, right? See the right direction, follow the right direction, and then make the right entry. All right, so watch this video till the end. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before, right? Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, because we are going to be giving you guys more strategies back to back. All right, we're going to be giving you guys more strategies back to back to make quick money and join the inner circle. All right, now we are going to be using just 3 indicators for this strategy. We're going to be using the alligator on our main window. We are going to be using relative strength index on the indicator window 1, and we are going to be using moving average still in the indicator window 1. All right, so let's quickly add alligator to our chart. Follow the properties: jaws period of 14, teeth period of 8, lips period of 14, jaws shift 5, teeth shift 14, lips shift 3, right? Method, you see the options there, you just choose smooth, and then for apply to, you choose median price. Okay, median price. And then the visualization, you just have to follow the colors that I'm using here. Of course, you can always just come up with your own colors, but then make sure you know what you're doing. All right, make sure you follow exactly as I'm going to explain in this video. All right, so for jaws, I'm using purple. All right, 2 pixel right there. Is it 2? Yes, 2 pixel right there. Teeth, I'm using yellow, right? 2 pixel still. Lips, same, 2 pixel, I'm using blue. All right, and then you're done with that. You click done, and you will have your alligator on your main window. Okay, just like what we have on our main window here. All right, with the 3 different colors, 3 different lines, you can see them clearly on the main window. These are tools that are going to guide you when you're using this strategy. Okay, now the next indicator will be the relative strength index, period 7, apply to close, levels 90 and 10. All right, 10 and 90, 90 and 10, however I want to put that, 90 and 10. Okay, 10 and 90. Now the style, I want the color, I want the line to show. These are levels. This level 10, I want the color to pop on my screen, so I'm using black color. For level 90, I want the line to pop on my screen. I want to see it on my screen, so I'm using black color to put I'm using black color for styling here. And then 2 pixel is fine. You click done when you're done with that, and you would have your, please remember that the style here, you don't need to use any color here. Make sure that the color you use here is the same color as the background of your chart. All right, then click done, and then you would have your RSI level 90 and level 10 on the indicator window. All right, level 90 and level 10. All right, and the next thing you want to add is the moving average, period of 3, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. For visualization, you just use whatever color that will be visible on your screen. All right, and then click done when you're done with that, and you would have your setup ready. All right, you have your setup ready. Now remember that this is an indicator based strategy. You're just going to use it to make quick money out of the market. All right, you can look for the confirmations I'll be explaining here. What you look out for is what you make sure you always see on your chart before you take a trade. All right, and then you take quick money, you're out, you wait for another of the same setup. You wait for another of the same setup. All right, so it's a quick scalping tool. You don't have to rely on this completely. That's why you will need price action skill, right? You need to be able to analyze the market by yourself, right? This will give you quick money. This will give you quick money, but ensure to develop yourself when you get this money. Pay for mentorship. Ensure that somebody is guiding you. All right, it doesn't have to be me, but make sure you pay somebody who knows how to actually do this thing and also is able to teach you. All right, so how does this strategy actually work? How do we use these strategies to make this quick money that I'm talking about? It's very easy. It's very easy. You just want to see the, please, let's use zoom level 2. Zoom level 2 is perfect. Okay, so how do you enter a trade using this strategy? So all the indicators on our chart right now, they have their functions. One is going to be showing us the trend of the market. The other is going to be telling us where there is momentum, where there is going to be buying or selling pressure in the market, while the other one is going to actually tell us when all of this is happening, right? So we have clarity on when to actually make an entry, when to make the right entry, of course. So guys, I wanted to explain how the strategy works during a live trade, so I had to wait for all my confirmations to be completed before completing this video. Now if you notice, I'm in a trade right now. I have opened a couple of positions right here and is already running in my direction. Now I missed my ideal. This would have been my ideal entry. Immediately after price crossed the yellow line here, I would have entered the market just immediately that happened, right? I was supposed to be in the market already, but I missed that opportunity, and I'm still taking a chance now because I have seen that price is coming towards this area. Now, like I said, all the indicators here are going to give you either the trends or the momentum levels or anything like that. Now for the main chart, you can see that price had come below the alligator indicator on the main chart. Now I mentioned that the alligator indicator is going to help you with trend, right? It's going to tell you the trend of the market. So whenever price is below the indicator, it means the market is heading downwards, right? Whenever you can see, if you notice here, you see that for a long time, you can see that the indicators were above the price level, right? Price will just come right into the indicator area and then pull back down, go back to retest that area, and then it drops again. It just keeps happening like that for the longest. Look at this. You can see that price was constantly below the indicator, right? So this is to say that the market is heading downwards. The trend is downwards. So having that in mind, you already know that you want to be selling, right? When the market is trending downwards, you want to be selling. Now this is for the boom markets anyway. This is for the boom 1000 markets, right? For the crash 1000 markets, you want to be buying. That means you want to wait for when the market is trending upwards, right? For the boom 1000 markets, you want to be selling. So you want to wait for price to be trending downwards. So having seen that market is going downwards, of course, the indicator made that very easy to identify the trend. The next thing you want to see is that on the indicator window, you would see that this had happened. You can see that the moving average had come to the momentum level, which is level 90 of the RSI indicator, and then it has started selling from there before I made my entry. Okay, so all you want to see is that price had come below your alligator indicator on the main window, and then also back test it to make sure that it has happened for a while. Price had been constantly below the indicator on the main chart, and then the next thing you want to see is that price has moved. Your moving average here has moved from level 10. Ensure to see that it moves from level 10 to level 90, and then when it starts dropping from level 90, when it starts selling from level 90, that is your entry signal, guys. That is your entry signal. You can see it's still going in my direction. How many candlesticks has been cut already? 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm expecting it to come all the way down to this region, but I just might leave the market before it gets to that point because I'll already be making a lot of profit. All right, so what I'll do is wait for the similar setup to come again another time, and then I strike again, and you can just sit down one place and make hundreds of dollars, guys. You can even make up to thousands of dollars if you can sit down and just focus on identifying these setups, right? Make sure that you see that these confirmations has come clearly to you, right? You've seen these confirmations clearly, and then you make your entry, stack your positions if you want to, and just make your money quickly and leave the market. And when you make that money, ensure to develop yourself, pay for advancement. Advance your skill. Make sure you really learn how to do it like the professionals, and that is how you are going to be consistently making profits in the long run. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.